Khongbantabam Sproduction की बैनर Makhada Puthokpa Rakesh Moirangthem na direction Piba Manipuri feature film PHOUOIBEE The Goddess of PADDY HAIRIBA film asi LAKLIBA May की तारीख 15 dagi May की तारीख 19 FAOBA India Habitat Center New Delhi da PANGTHOKKADABA 18 Habitat Film Festival 2026 New Delhi da selection TOURAKKHRE film asi की producer HAIRIBA Suraj Khongbantabam na khudek piduna thadorakpa cherol amada film asi national gi amadi international gi maming leiraba festival kaya dasu utluraba film amani film asi manipur da thokpa yamna thokaningdaba laibak thiba thodok low yeram daida paiduna thamjaba phobi mai tharambagi thodokta yumpham oiba film amani asigumba minungsi leitana chathariba thong asibu tawbidana ba miyamda appeal tawba film amani haide film asida maru oiba saktam langliba singdi rajunong y kumarjit cs inaubi Loitongbam Dorendra, Susma Ketri, child artist Bhumi Khoirakpam, singer and lyrics, Thokchom Lansana Chanu, music director Tena HD, cinematography Bung Konjengbam, editor Rakesh Moirangthem, story Rakesh Moirangthem, Somarendro Moirangthem, Zenis Salam, screenplay and dialogue, Y Kumarzit, co-producer and production, design, Santi Ras, producer, Suraj Khongbantabam Amadi, director na Rakesh Moirangthem ni.